The objective of this session is to carry forward the comparative opinion discussion that we initiated about entrepreneurship locations in the developed world, specifically about European locations and US locations, and in that context, the focus on Silicon Valley. There is a particular hype that surrounds the Silicon Valley, which is very important to be aware of for new entrepreneurs, particularly SMEs from emerging markets that will try to approach Silicon Valley. There is a distinct difference between all different small entrepreneurship locations or foci that are there in the US, as we discussed in our last session. New York, Atlanta, Austin, Texas, Seattle, San Diego. There is a distinct difference between all of these non-Silicon Valley foci of entrepreneurship in the US and Silicon Valley. And this distinct difference is that all the other non-Silicon Valley locations of entrepreneurship in the US have average infrastructure and facilities for entrepreneurship. But the facilities that are there, the network facilities, supportive infrastructure, is what you see on face value. You can trust it. What you see is what you get, kind of, in all of these locations. Whereas that is not at all the case in Silicon Valley. One, the infrastructure and facilities and the network that is available in Silicon Valley is far bigger in proportion to all of these small foci collected, put together. But in addition, there is a very big hype that surrounds the Silicon Valley. And it is very important for new entrepreneurs to be aware of this hype. Because as SMEs and new young entrepreneurs get aware of Silicon Valley, it is this impression of Silicon Valley that reaches you first, and that is what attracts you to Silicon Valley. So it is this hype that attracts majority of the entrepreneurs, the SMEs from emerging markets towards Silicon Valley. Whereas in reality, it is this core of Silicon Valley, which is the vital element of Silicon Valley, which is really the heart and soul of Silicon Valley, and which is excellent in terms of infrastructure facilities as compared to all of these small foci. The important thing is to be able to differentiate between this hype and the real central core. Most of the young entrepreneurs are attracted by this hype, and they get disillusioned by this hype and do not manage to survive till they differentiate distinctly and reach to the core of Silicon Valley. What we mean by hype surrounding the Silicon Valley is that it is a natural integral process that has grown, a mindset that has grown around the Silicon Valley, because there is a particular kind of personalities and people that are attracted to the Silicon Valley. And all of these have a natural interest in entrepreneurship, in business of a particular type and category, and that is the reason they get attracted to the Silicon Valley. When you are in the Silicon Valley, you will see that each and every person there will talk about some or the other connections that they have with investors in their friends, family network. They will talk about some or the other entrepreneurship project that they are working on or that they are very closely associated with. To the extent that when I was in the Silicon Valley, I was traveling in a cab to visit some of the top IT companies there, Google, Facebook, etc. And even the cab driver there was asking me about my interest, and when I discussed that I have my own business and I am visiting here for furthering that interest, even the cab driver was already asking me, so are you planning to visit investors? Are you planning to have some VC rounds? Even I have some connections with VCs and with investors, and if you want I can introduce you to them. That's in a lighter vein, but seriously, in reality, all the individuals, people there have a air about them, about entrepreneurship, about investors, about venture capitalists, and it's not with bad intention that they have this hype, that they have this air. It is because they are interested in this area of business and of life, and that is why they are there, and they exude that enthusiasm. But only a part of that is reality. There is a very select number of people and kind of people who in reality have the potential and the capacity to connect you with incubator facilities, to connect you with investor and VC networks and channels who can be of tangible interest and of tangible value. Most of the others are a part of this hype, a part of this air that surrounds the Silicon Valley. And it is important that you develop the intelligence, the capacity, the skill and the patience to differentiate between this hype and the reality, the central core of Silicon Valley, which is an excellent network, the best network, facility, infrastructure, focus available in this area in the entire world. The reason it is important to be conscious and aware of this hype is because most of the entrepreneurs, many of them, as they get attracted towards Silicon Valley, they get attracted by this hype, and in the initial first few experiences as compared to all other experiences that they have had in different locations, they get disillusioned by some interactions and experience that they have in this hype area. They get disappointed, they get bad experiences, and that is what turns them off, puts them off, dissuades them from the Silicon Valley. So if you are already aware, if you are already prepared in your mind that you are going to interact, have to go through in a way, through this cloud of hype, then you are mentally prepared, you have that patience, you can very intelligently and effectively use your network, your friend, family, business network in the Silicon Valley region, so that they can help you develop the insight to focus your energies, to differentiate between these two regions and to access the real core and the center of Silicon Valley. Once you are connected with this core, as you start gaining access to this core, it will be evident for you intuitively the difference between the people who are connected to this core and the people who are a part of this hype. And as you get more and more access and connected with this hype, the more and more trust you develop, and the easier and easier it gets for you to differentiate between the central core and the surrounding hype. And that is the point where you in reality start establishing your roots in this central core of Silicon Valley. And that is the point from where your true business potential, your true business value, by getting connected with the Silicon Valley area, will start unfurling, will start blooming and blossoming.